Hello guys, ACD back here again with another video. Today we're going to basically doing the Jbl Flip 4 versus the Jbl Flip 3. Soundtest, whatever you want to really call it. And we're going to get right into it.
Taking me home. One thing really do want. See that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Come out of me 'cause I want you. I know they cannot see what I do, so don't wonder what I got into. I bet that he's smiling, but in my patience, not no point in trying. I know I can keep away.
that was the sound test, sound comparison. Personally, to me, Flip 4 sounds better. Flip 3 sounds a little bit dry. Bass is not really there. The Flip 4 actually is a little bit bigger in size difference. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna do that right now, real quick. And yes, like there's no video editing software actually in this. Like I didn't increase no size of it, but yeah, I guarantee like the fact that it has more frequency, yeah, it can get down lower, I guess. And it has improved drivers, blah 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 blah. And yeah, personally to me, the Flip 4 sounds better. The Flip 3 sounds a little bit choppy. Hope like maybe they will release some software to actually improve the sound. You never know. Anyway, that was a sound test. Let me know what you think. Likes, share, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.